I just had to use my other phone for a moment to see what this was. So this is the Arco di Constantino, built in 315. So just within this short walk and just within this short distance, there was the Forum, the Palatine Hills, this Colosseum. There's actually a whole lot more here. I could easily spend several days here just exploring every nook and cranny if I had access to it, of course. They have military personnel here to prevent any randomly exploding people. But wow, this is absolutely stunning. I could easily spend, like I said, I could easily spend a lot of time here exploring the area. There's so much. There's so much here. So many things and so many questions to ask, so many things to touch and feel and wonder. I mean, if you come close to this building, oh, what's this? They have lovers locks here too, eh? So, yeah, they have lovers locks here. So apparently that this couple here might not actually get divorced within 5 years, as well as the other couple that was over there. But yeah, I mean, look at this. Look at the detail. Imagine being able to have worked on this, carving this by hand. Here's another couple over here they might possibly remain married. Having kids though, that's a different story. Nobody wants to have children anymore. And what the hell is this? This is supposed to be a romantic situation. The guy's walking ahead of the woman without holding her hand. What the hell is that? This is Rome. Italians are romantic. I guess these people are just for show. See that? That's just for show. And he brought sneakers with him. Come on, bro. You're better than that. Yeah, so we will continue onwards with our exploration here.